Right now, as we know, 99% of traders will fail. They will not get to the stage where they'll get profit out of the market. And that's because of multiple different reasons. One being psychology and one being just a pure skill factor. Now, what I've found and what I'm about to show you is a TradingView indicator that takes all of the guesswork out for you with 90% accuracy. This will literally tell you when to enter and you'll get an alert straight to your phone. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have it, guys. We're on TradingView. We're currently on the daily time frame on Sol/USDT. Okay, we can see that the signaler is the indicator of choice today. This is what it will look like when you load it up. I'll show you exactly how you can get this later on in the video, so stay tuned because you can get an absolute bargain of a price. Okay, so what you can see here is longs, which is a buy, and shorts, which are sells. Now, if we get this alert over on the long, what we would do is we will enter the long on this blue arrow, okay? So the blue arrow's here. We will then put the stop loss on the blue line below, okay? So this blue line will be where you put your stop loss. So for example, if it was offered this candle, we would put the stop loss here. However, for the making of this video and this one that we are currently in, we can see that we are 1% up at the moment. So that means you would be $1,000 up if you risked $1,000. Now, obviously, you can either target the high up here, or you can go for a 1-to-1, or even what I like to do is just a straight 1-to-2. It seems to be very profitable in the market. And obviously, I'm still in this waiting for it to hit RTP. Okay, so if we were to look at a short, which is a sell, it's the same concept. We put it on the red line this time. Stop loss will go above the line. This is up here on this line above this candle. And then, like, if I wanted to go for a 1-to-2, obviously we would have had it set down. But what it also does is you can close it when it gives you the next signal. So I would have closed this in profit of 0.8%, which would have been at $800 going on $1,000 risk. Right now, what I'm going to do is just show you in live time. Okay, so if I go back to this candle here, this would have been, right, we're just going to wait. And then our phone pings off. It gives us an alert. What do? It's a buy, so it's a long, so we are purchasing, we are buying. Stop loss go on this blue line, and then we will go for that 1-to-2 target that I was telling you about, and then we click play. Now, once we've clicked play, we just, nice and simple, we wait. It went back down to entry and then flew through our TP, making us $2,000 in the process. You can either head on over to the website, thesignaler.com, with over 1,500 trusted members of 5 stars. And as we go down, we can see that multiple people have done different publications on them. And as we scroll, it gives you the different features that you can get. The AI-powered trading signals, real-time signals, smart alerts, and results speaking for themselves as well. So these are the options. You can get 1 month at $45, 3 months of $109, 1 year at $395, or the lifetime bundle of $597. Okay, link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. However, this is what you are looking for. Okay, so you can see they made just under 200% on this Bitcoin entry. It would have been higher up. They also made 60% on Cookie USDT, which was literally the day before. Gives you the full breakdown: coin, cookie, direction, stop limit entry, take profit, stop loss, leverage, etc. There are multiple different ones. We've got 570 on ARB, and then 338 on Pippin, 435 on ARB as well, which you can get the point. This is a very, very profitable VIP signal group. Now, if you're looking at getting this and the indicator, they actually have an amazing deal. Okay, so what you want to do is head on over to the bot, and then you want to click on start. Now, once you've clicked on start, you get multiple different options. You get the 1 month, 3 month, 1 year for either the indicator, and the same again for the VIP signals. However, the lifetime bundle gives you access to everything, and it's just one payment. That's right. All you have to do is click 597. Then click to pay by crypto. Now, it gives you multiple different options as well. If you want to pay by Bitcoin, or if you want to pay by Trump, or even Pepe, you can simply click on. For the making of this, we'll click USDT. And then what it does is it tells you to pay now, and then it gives you the option. So if you want to do it on the Tron network, then it gives you a lovely little contract wallet address. send in how many to the address above. You can click on that and it will be copied. Go over to your wallet and then type it into your wallet address as well. Right, there we have it, guys. That was the Signaler Indicator and VIP Signal Group for a massive discounted price of $597. That's one payment, lifetime option, and you can finally become one of the 1% that starts making money in the trading space. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.